Hi everyone, this is KGMO Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, since nabitin ako sa prod ng Kairen kanina kasama ni KDLEX and JM Fiang, gagawa ng natin ng reaction video ang kinanta nila sa I Want TV, right? Best part by Daniel Cesar. So this is one of my favorite song and I cannot wait to watch this. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ang tagal ko lang hindi gumawa dito ng reaction video sa Kapamilya Online. Go. Okay, go. Kung gusto mo yan, Fiang, go. Charis. Oh, love that. Orgasmic, no? Orgasm, no? You hold me. Given na yan. Oh, the emotion. Dating pasok. Ay, hindi pa siya pumasok. Ay! Hindi naman sila magkahawak. Wait lang. Hindi naman sila magkahawak kamay. Pero for today's video, kinikilig ako sa kanila. Sobrang layo nila, dear. Sobrang layo nila. Pero kinikilig ako. Yung tipong alam mo yung parang ang kilig ko, parang nakikita ko silang nag-hug na sila for today's video. Can you imagine that? Chika lang. Malisyosa si Akla. Mali siya doon? Wait lang, mali ba si Ikay doon? Baka naman over naman yung pagpuas natin. No. Ang hirap ipuas, dear. Oh. Soft tone talaga ni Kai. Yeah. Bintang. Wow. Alam mo ba, mga ako, never ko pa kasi narinig si Jaren na na kumanta ng Tagalog. Ay, hindi kumanta na siya ng Tagalog, pero kanina kasi masyadong ang sexy ng dating nga sa akin ng pagkanta niya. Sorry, alam ko nagpo-pause ako, pero no worries, papanood ulit natin ito without any pauses. Okay, pero ang ganda lang ng execution kanina talaga ni Jaren. Darin ba na-mention ko? Kakatapos ko lang kasi gawa ng reaction video yung pro na Darin. Ang ganda ng sobrang sexy ng Tagalog ni Jaren, sa totoo lang. Okay. Yung low notes niya. Ang low notes niya. Ang hot niya, no? Ang gumagano'n-ganon siya, nabuwip siya, nakakainis. My God. Alam mo, bagay yung boses nila kasi the way sila umatake, the way nila atakihin yung kanta, very classical. Yung tipong alam mo yung very, very regal ang datingan. Parang ganun yung atake eh. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. Ay? I just wanna see sexy ni Darin. Ni Jaren? Nakakainis. Grabe yung high notes ni... Headtone ang ginagamit ni Keisha. Headtone yan, not falsetto. Ay, nakita niyo yun. Nakita niyo yun. Nang nagbanggit na sila ng best part, tinuro agad ni Jaren tinuro ni Jaren si Kai na parang si Kai ang best part. Talaga ba, Jaren? Ay, wow. Orgasmic. Orgasmic.
won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? Yeah. If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? Yeah. If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you
Say
say
something. Talaga ba?
If you love me, won't you?
Yung say something, Kai. Ano ba? Nakakainis. Charis. Kasi if you love something, go. Kung gusto mo yan, go. Ay, ulitin natin. Anong wow? Hindi. Uy, may pahang talaga. Eh, talaga ba, Kai? May pahawak? Ulitin natin yun. Ulitin natin. Hindi ako papayag na hindi ko maulit yun. Hindi ko papayag na hindi maulit yun. Nice. Okay. Baby, don't change. Charis. Charis Pempenko. Don't. Ganda talaga ng boses niya, I swear. No matter, nagkamali siya doon. Sarap ma-in love. Charis. Charis Pempenko. Nice. Ay, lalo ng boses niya. Binatang binata. Nakakainis. Okay.
we wake up and then we make love.
Ganda ng make love. Baby pa kayo. Make love kayo dyan, Charis.
You're my one,
No, natadala ako.
you're the talent,
Sobrang dalang-dala si Akla for today's video. I'm so sorry.
the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you?
Yan ang events.
If you love me, won't you say something? Yeah. If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you
Say something.
If you love me, won't you? If you
Nag-expect ko na may gumaganon. Love you, won't ya?
If you love me, won't you say something? Yeah. If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you?
Wow! I love the run. I love the run. In fairness. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The Kylen on ASAP. I want ASAP live. Tama ba ako? This is Gijimo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!